Huge update from OpenAI. The GPT store is now live. This is kind of like the new app store. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the GPT store. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, so this is kind of like the new app store. All of your custom GPTs, they're going to be in one place. You can search, you can find the trending GPTs and use it just like the app store and different apps. So how do you access this? Here's what you're going to do. Step number one, log into your ChatGPT account, chat.openai.com. And yes, for now, the GPT stores or GPTs are under the paid account. If you have a free account, you are not going to see the ChatGPT or GPT store. Now, to see the GPT store, you're going to see this option here called Explore GPT. When you click on this, the Explore GPTs, here is your GPT store, and I'll show you everything in a second. So first of all, a couple of things on the top. If you have created your own GPTs, they're gonna be under here. So if you've done any, I haven't done any from this account. If you want to create a new GPT, you can click here and build a new GPT and launch it. And by the way, here's the kind of like a breaking news or insider. Very soon, just like how people make money from apps, you will be able to make money from your GPTs. All right, now let's take a look at the GPT store. First of all, you see on the top different categories, top picks, writing, productivity, all of these. So guess what? If you are thinking of building a GPT, here are the topics or the niches that I would focus on. Why? Because then you have a good chance of putting your GPT inside the store. And I believe over 3 million GPTs are included, custom versions of GPT. Yeah, so over 3 million GPTs have already been created. So do not wait. All right, next, feature section. These are the top picks from this week. I believe these are handpicked by the OpenAI team. Then you see trending. I don't know how these were picked. Maybe my guess is these were picked based on the usage. So this is the most used and so forth. Then you see the chat GPTs GPTs by the chat GPT team. Here you go. Then you transform your ideas into amazing images. DALL-E, different GPTs, writing, then productivity, research. I have a feeling more, this is simple page, but I love it. But I have a feeling more and more different niches and categories will be added soon as people submit their GPTs into the GPT store. Now, my favorite feature, you're able to just search. So if I want to search for something, look at this. If I want to make videos, I can search for video, and then here are different GPTs that I can use to create videos. If I want to make logo, so just hit logo, and then you see different GPTs you can use to make logos. I believe I used one of these to make a logo earlier. So let me show you. The GPT I used earlier was, let me refresh this so it loads. So I actually used DALL-E, and I said, can you make a logo for a new car repair shop? It asked me for the name. I gave it the name, and in a few seconds, the logo is ready. Imagine how much money and time we're gonna save with these GPTs. We used to hire people from Upwork, Fiverr to get the logos done, and now in 5 seconds or 10 seconds, a GPT will do it for me. So GPT store, if you log in, you should see this access. It's being rolled out slowly, but you should see Explore GPTs and you'll be able to see the store. By the way, if you don't see this option here, just go to this URL directly and you should see it. Now, any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.